Noida International Airport cargo terminal, the strategic location of this airport cargo hub is very important for us. I think it will act as a not only as an independent gateway but also as an additional gateway in support with the Indira Gandhi International Airport. So I see this particular terminal playing a major role in the logistics.
AISAT remains bullish on air cargo, with multimodal infrastructure expected to drive future growth.
We have signed a MOU with the FCOM Holdings. Now, FCOM Holding will be positioning a freighter at Noida Airport. Thereby, we will give the connectivity to different part of the country as well as to some part of the world also. And I think this will be a new beginning in the chapter of Air India SAT's Noida cargo. Going forward, there will be a cargo mix that will be going, but to pick up the pace, I think we will have a very good momentum of the electronics, which is a main commodity as of now I see, followed by the perishable and meat product out of Noida. I think next 2 decades will be fantastic for the air cargo and logistics, especially with the infrastructure which is being created and special focus being given on multi-modal cargo hub, direct freight corridor coming in. I think the next 20 years are fantastic for the logistics.
Akai President shares industry challenges and efforts driving meaningful changes.
India is looking at having many more airports. Our request to the government has been that we should look at having many more cargo hubs. And more the cargo hubs we will have, more it will encourage people to use air cargo. Like if I'm in the middle of Madhya Pradesh or Uttar Pradesh or Jharkhand or Bihar, I do not look at air cargo because it suddenly looks a bit impossible to me. But if we can have a uniform spread of the cargo hubs, then more and more people will use air cargo.